YouTube? Spooky Gemma here. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm bored. That's why I'm filming, because I'm bored. And I want a new Chucky. And I can make one appear, because like I could just snap and it'll work. 3, 2, 1. Exactly. This is a new Chucky doll. And it's called a Chucky Sidestepper. I got this at Spirit Halloween, and I'm very lucky that I have this because it was literally the last one. And it also tacks.
It's showtime. It's showtime. I'll be back. I always come back.
It talks. And we're gonna review the box a little bit. Y'all wanna see it close up? Alright. Look at this doll.
It's showtime.
Chucky Sidestepper.
I'll be back. I always come back.
And it comes with a knife. Yeah, it's so cool. And his hair is like made out of like plastic or something. And we're gonna take a look at the back. So on the back, y'all could pause that and read it for yourself. And guys, before we open the package, I'm gonna link this little guy in the description down below. And we're gonna check out the Sidestepper. Pause that for reading it for yourself. Sidestepper.
It's showtime. I'll be back. I always come back.
So, let's get this thing on up. Okay, so we're just going to take this out. And we're gonna click it and take a close look.
It's showtime. I'll be back. I always come back.
Now it's always time to take a close-up look.
It's showtime. I'll be back. I always come back.
Wow, I love it.
It's showtime. I'll be back. I always come back.
Yeah, I know you always come back.
It's showtime. I'll be back. I always come back. It's showtime. I'll be back. I always come back. It's
His head is
showtime.
so knocky.
I'll be back. I always come back. It's showtime.
Well, guys,
I'll be back. I
guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, big thumbs up. If you like it, comment down below. Hit the bell button. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
It's showtime.